What is going on, guys? It is environos back with another video, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how I make my YouTube thumbnails. So let's get right on into it. Alright guys, so to make my thumbnails, I personally use Photoshop, but you guys can use whatever program you would like. I am going to be making another video on how to make a thumbnail for free, but Photoshop is just the program that I use for now. So yeah. As you guys can see here, these are all of my thumbnails and stuff so far. I'm going to create a new one. Now to make a thumbnail, whatever you are using, I'm just going to name it thumbnail tutorial. And this is going to be 1280 by 720. So yeah, use pixels and all of this stuff, RGB color, white background, square pixels, and then create. Now we have this. So what you are going to do is I'm actually going to be making the thumbnail for this video just to show you how I do things. But first of all, when you're making a thumbnail, you are going to want to highlight the main point of exactly what you are doing in the video. So like this video, I'm doing how to make a thumbnail. So usually the first thing that I will do is take the picture of myself. I usually put myself in the videos. I usually like to take pictures of myself. I usually like to put myself in the thumbnail just to get people attracted to the video, hopefully get them in to watch the video so they know that I have a face cam, they can see my face and stuff like that. So I'm going to go ahead and take the picture real quick. And now that I do have my picture in here, I have kind of a messy room in the background. You don't want to see all that stuff in there. So I'm going to go over here to the magnetic lasso tool. If you don't already have it pulled up, just right click, choose magnetic lasso tool. And I'm going to use Alt and scroll to scroll into here. And by the way, if I am going too fast, just make sure to pause the video whenever you'd like. Anyways, I'm going to go around here and I'm just going to outline what I want to use for my thumbnail. And now that I have created the outline, I am going to go down here to the bottom right and I'm going to add layer mask. As you can see here, this is not perfect. The magnetic tool is not perfect. There is still much choppiness in the background. So I'm going to go over here to the eraser tool. You can make the sides whatever you'd like. And I'm just going to time lapse here and fix up all the little mistakes. Alright, now that I have cleared everything up with the eraser tool, I need to figure out what else I'm going to put in here. I can't just have my face in here with the white background. So, in this case, I am making a thumbnail video, so I'm going to show some of the other thumbnails that I have made, just to show that I do know what I'm doing here. So I'm going to choose a few here. Now that I do have these in here, I'm not just going to leave it with a blank white background. So I'm going to go over to trusty Google to find a cool background that I could use. So I'm looking for maybe just like a nice orange background. So we're going to type orange background in here. All of these images, copyright. I don't want to get sued. So I am going to tools, usage rights, and labeled for reuse because I am not looking to get sued today. So this one looks nice. Gonna go here, copy image, exit out, go back to this, and I'm going to press Control V. There it is. As you can see, it's above my images, so I'm just going to drag that down to the bottom here. And yeah, we have a cool background that we can use for the video. And now I'm going to put some text in here just so people know exactly what I'm doing. Go to the text tool, and that's a little bit big, but I'm just going to say how to make YouTube thumbnails. Now, I know you guys probably didn't catch that because that is absolutely ginormous, but I'm going to go to the font. Oh my. So I know this thing is huge, so I'm going to go over to the font size and I'm going to scale it down just a little bit. And that actually didn't catch all of it, so I'm going to scale that down. What font was this? 18. Go down to 18. Nice. Now we have our text in here. Now, these little images right here are in the way. So I'm actually going to go click on my face here, press Control T, and I'm going to scale that up a bit. And then press Enter so I can put these thumbnails further out. Make everything even here. And I will not be using that font, so I'm just going to click over here. I use Evo Guerilla, if you guys want to know. That is the main one that I use. Just going to spread these out here. Now I got my text. So you put it where you want to put it. Now, this text is pretty bland. So you can make whatever color text you want, but I'm going to keep it white. Right click on your text in the layers. Go to blending options. Now what I like to do here is I like to give it a little bit of flash. So I'm going to go to drop shadow. Now I have it already preset on black. So what you're going to do is press black if you have the white text or just any drop shadow that you want on your text. I'm going to decrease the size a little bit. Take back the distance. Put spread a little bit more. Give that. And now you can copy these settings if you want to, but I suggest you use your own settings that you'd like. Now I'm going to go to outer glow. Now that just gives it a little bit more pop to it. And I'm going to decrease the spread just a little bit. And yeah, now you have a sweet thumbnail so people can click on your videos and you can get views and views for days. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm going to go to File, Save As, save on my computer. Now I'm just going to put it where I put my thumbnails here. I got a thumbnails folder. Now for YouTube, I like to use PNG just because YouTube allows you to use your thumbnails in that file format and it just looks overall the best for me. So I'm going to save that. Smallest file size just because you don't want to make it too big for YouTube or else they will not even let you use it. Once this saving thing is done here, I'm going to exit out. I'm going to make sure to save changes. I do like to save all my thumbnails. Save on my computer. You just press save. Okay. There we go. Now you have made your very own thumbnail all by yourself. And yeah, keep making YouTube videos. Have fun. And I will see you guys next time. Peace.